Finally. We're away from our continuously arguing parents.
So, now what?
I have been working on something that will help us get away from all of this.
Lay it on me.
Oh. My. Freaking. God.
Hi honey. Guess you can let me watch Dinosaur Train now because I just called both the fire department to clean up the place and the police.
The police? Why would you call them?
Why wouldn't I alert them that a terrible person such as yourself would let this happen?
Dave, you jerk. It was you who wouldn't come to your senses.
You weren't exactly doing anything to stop me from throwing that party.
You're a grown man. You should know what is right and wrong.
Right, Catherine? Have fun in jail.
Whoa. This is trippy.
You bet it is. Welcome to something that I discovered and refurbished.
So, what exactly is it?
Some old underground research facility that I believe was used to uncover many scientific mysteries.
Makes sense.
Now, let me show you something truly amazing. What did I tell you? Amazing!
This is kinda freaky.
Let's step in and test this bad boy out.
This isn't right. I've been framed. Madam, please calm down and explain to me in full detail exactly what happened. All right. I'll tell you what happened. Please try and understand that I'm not the guilty one here. Don't worry. We're very fair here and we will help you clear your name. Thank you so much.
Yes! 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 Finally. I get to watch the Dinosaur Train Christmas special now that my pushy wife is gone. Best Christmas ever. Wait! What the heck? Ho ho ho, no you don't. You're not going to have any best Christmas this year, or any other year. Oh my goodness. Santa. I knew you were real. Yeah, I'm real. Real shocked that you would stoop this low. Huh. But my wife. She's not perfect, but she's still 100 times better than you'll ever be. But. No buts, but here's in my cell of sins. I can't believe this. Believe it, Buster, because you've just been put on the naughty list for life. I hate you, Santa. I hate you, Catherine, and I especially hate Christmas.
Wow. This is even more trippy.
And the best part is that we're away from our annoying parents.
You're right. This is so much better.
Merry Christmas, Emma.
Merry Christmas, Brian.
Man, talk about a silent night.